A huge anti-cab public march participated by thousands of people is underway across Manipur under the banner of Manipur People Against Citizenship Amendment Bill. Rallies are being carried out across the northeast to register a regional protest against the controversial Citizenship Amendment Bill. Kaching MLA Su Chandra stated that while pushing for any bill or act, the state interest must be considered first. Su Chandra added that the onus is upon Chief Minister N. Biren to impress upon the Prime Minister and Home Minister to prevent the bill from impinging on Manipur's interests. The term for Armed Forces Special Powers Act has been extended to 6 more months in 3 districts of Arunachal Pradesh. The centre has tagged these 3 districts as disturbed area. An earthquake measuring 4.9 on Richter scale hit Imphal area at around 11:54 am this morning. The epicenter of the earthquake was reported to be 3 kilometers from Lamlai in Imphal West. However, there were no reports of casualties or damage to properties. Home Minister Amit Shah launched the Train 18 today from Delhi. The first commercial run of the Delhi-Katra Bande Bharat Express will be on October 5th, and booking of tickets is now open on the IRCTC website. Suspense continues over the reported leadership crisis in Manipur, with CM N. Biren Singh and his loyalists camping in Delhi to meet Union Home Minister Amit Shah over the issue. The meeting comes amid reports that a section of BJP MLAs in the state are demanding for a change in leadership. Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Dev has inaugurated demo train service in 2 routes, Agartala and Sabrom, and Agartala and Dharmanagar today. The service will be commercially commencing from tomorrow. The NRF authority has already declared timing of a pair demo train service. The All Assam Motor Transport Association has called for 24 hours Chakka Bandh today. The bandh started at 5 am today and will end at 5 pm tomorrow. Life in Guwahati city in Kamrup and other districts like Nagaon, Morigao, Hazo, Barpeta, among other districts of the state has come to a standstill.